Did you know your feet could help you to see if you have liver problems? Stay tuned to learn about the signs and symptoms in your feet that might indicate a liver damage. The liver performs over 500 essential functions, making it one of the most critical organs for maintaining overall health. What are the liver functions? The liver has a wide range of functions, including detoxification. The liver filters and detoxifies harmful substances from the blood, including drugs, alcohol, and environmental toxins. Metabolism. It plays a central role in the metabolism of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. The liver stores glycogen, which can be converted back to glucose when needed. Bile production. The liver produces bile, a substance that aids in the digestion and absorption of fats in the small intestine. Nutrient storage. It stores vitamins and minerals, such as vitamins A, D, E, K, and B12, as well as iron and copper. Synthesis. The liver synthesizes essential proteins, including albumin and blood clotting factors. Immune function. The liver helps fight infections by producing immune factors and removing bacteria from the bloodstream. The signs and symptoms in your feet that indicate a liver problem. The liver's health can manifest in various ways through the feet. Here are some key signs and symptoms to watch out for. Red and brown spots. Red or brown spots on the feet can indicate liver dysfunction. These spots may result from poor circulation and the liver's reduced ability to filter toxins from the blood. Shiny feet. Shiny feet can be a sign of fluid retention or edema, often associated with liver problems. The liver's impaired function can lead to an imbalance in body fluids, causing swelling and shiny skin. No hair. The loss of hair on the feet and lower legs can be a sign of poor blood circulation linked to liver disease. The liver's role in maintaining healthy blood flow is crucial, and dysfunction can lead to hair loss in these areas. Thin skin. Thin skin on the feet can indicate a lack of essential nutrients and proteins, which the liver is responsible for processing and distributing throughout the body. Edema. Edema, or swelling, in the feet and ankles can result from the liver's inability to produce enough albumin, a protein that helps maintain fluid balance in the bloodstream. Spider veins. Spider veins on the feet can be a sign of liver disease, as they result from increased pressure in the blood vessels due to the liver's reduced ability to filter blood effectively. Dry, cracked heels. Dry, cracked heels can indicate a deficiency in essential fatty acids and vitamins, which the liver processes. Liver dysfunction can lead to poor skin health and hydration. Itchy feet. Itchy feet can be a symptom of cholestasis, a condition where bile flow from the liver is reduced or blocked. This can cause a buildup of bile acids in the bloodstream, leading to itching. Pain and inflammation. Pain and inflammation in the feet can result from liver-related issues such as gout or arthritis, which are linked to the liver's role in processing uric acid and other inflammatory substances. Odor. A strong or unusual odor from the feet can indicate liver problems, as the liver is responsible for breaking down and eliminating toxins that can cause body odor. Hot or cold feet. Temperature changes in the feet, such as feeling unusually hot or cold, can be a sign of poor circulation and liver dysfunction. The liver plays a role in regulating body temperature and blood flow, and also aids in thyroid hormone transformation, which are in control of your body's metabolism. Fungus. Fungal infections, such as athlete's foot, can be more common in individuals with liver problems due to a weakened immune system and poor circulation. By paying close attention to these signs and symptoms in your feet, you can gain valuable insights into your liver health. Early detection and intervention can help prevent more serious liver-related complications. In conclusion and to summarize today's video, the liver, a large and vital organ located in the upper right side of the abdomen, performs over 500 essential functions, making it indispensable for maintaining overall health. This organ plays a crucial role in detoxification, metabolism, bile production, storage of vitamins and minerals, protein synthesis, and immune function. Its ability to filter and detoxify harmful substances, store and release energy, aid in fat digestion, maintain nutrient balance, and support the immune system is foundational to our well-being. Understanding liver health through signs and symptoms in the feet can be revealing. Red and brown spots on the feet often result from poor circulation and the liver's reduced capacity to filter toxins from the blood. Shiny feet may indicate fluid retention or edema, a common issue linked to liver problems, where the organ's impaired function leads to an imbalance in body fluids. The loss of hair on the feet and lower legs points to poor blood circulation, underscoring the liver's essential role in maintaining healthy blood flow. Thin skin on the feet can signal a deficiency in essential nutrients and proteins processed by the liver. This thinning indicates the organ's struggle to maintain nutrient distribution throughout the body. Edema, or swelling in the feet and ankles, often arises from the liver's inability to produce sufficient albumin, a protein that helps balance fluids in the bloodstream. Similarly, spider veins on the feet can suggest liver disease, as increased pressure in blood vessels is a consequence of the liver's diminished filtering ability. Dry, cracked heels may result from a lack of essential fatty acids and vitamins, reflecting poor skin health due to liver dysfunction. Itchy feet can be symptomatic of cholestasis, a condition where bile flow from the liver is reduced or blocked, causing bile acids to accumulate in the bloodstream. Pain and inflammation in the feet may stem from liver-related issues such as gout or arthritis, highlighting the organ's role in processing inflammatory substances like uric acid. An unusual odor from the feet can also indicate liver problems. The liver's responsibility in breaking down and eliminating toxins that cause body odor makes this a notable sign. Temperature changes in the feet, whether feeling unusually hot or cold, can be linked to poor circulation and liver dysfunction. This organ's role in regulating body temperature and blood flow is crucial, and abnormalities in these areas can reflect its compromised state. Lastly, fungal infections like athlete's foot can become more prevalent in individuals with liver problems. A weakened immune system and poor circulation, both associated with liver dysfunction, can make the body more susceptible to such infections. By observing these signs and symptoms in the feet, one can gain valuable insights into liver health. Early detection of liver issues through these indicators can lead to timely interventions, preventing more serious complications. Recognizing the liver's vast range of functions and its interconnectedness with various bodily systems underscores the importance of maintaining its health. Proper liver function is fundamental to overall well-being, influencing everything from detoxification and metabolism to immune response and nutrient distribution. Paying attention to the signals our body sends, particularly through the feet, can help us maintain optimal liver health and, by extension, our overall health. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, please be sure to share it with your friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even more content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients, stay consistent with your training, and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.